If you would have invested 1 lakh rupees in the stock 5 years ago, it would be worth 19.45 lakh rupees today. This is the highest 5-year return of any stock in this 30 stock series. Revenue went up by 61% last year, profit up by 90%. And this week alone, the company got empaneled for a 79,000 crore Air Force program, and they did a 1,500 crore acquisition. Here's the full story. Apollo Microsystems, based in Hyderabad, founded in 1997. They design, develop and manufacture defense electronics, embedded systems, electronic warfare suits, electro-optic systems and weapon system solutions. Their products include avionics for missile systems, homing systems for heavyweight torpedoes, fire control systems, integrated avionic units for QRSAM, India's quick reaction surface-to-air missiles, and cybersecurity systems for intelligence departments. In April 26, they received a DPIIT lifetime arms manufacturing license covering missiles, anti-tank guided missiles, torpedoes and loitering ammunitions. Their customers are DRDO, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force and defense PSUs like BEL and BDL. Every major weapons program we've discussed in this series has an Apollo Electronics connection. Apollo supplies integrated avionics unit and actuators for BEL. The DSE has cleared 52,000 crores in defense deals covering the MIGM and EMPATGM programs, which are both Apollo platforms. And this week they got empaneled as prime development agency for the IPREC program by the Indian Air Force, and the potential value is 79,000 crores. The biggest news from July 2026, Apollo agreed to acquire a 41% stake in Premier Explosives for 1,550 crore rupees in cash. Premier Explosives makes high-energy materials, solid propellants for missile programs, rocket motors and countermeasure systems. They also operate ISRO's solid propellant plant in Sriharikota. This acquisition gives Apollo the ability to manufacture complete weapon systems, from electronics and avionics all the way to energetic materials and propellants. That's a vertically integrated defense manufacturer. There are very few of those in the world, let alone India. Profit after tax over 100 crores. Earnings before interest and taxes 218 crores. Their net income is expected to grow 39% over the next year. Here's what compounding will look like if you invest 1 lakh rupees today, and the numbers are verified. Historically, this company's CAGR has been 32%. A conservative number of 30% over the next 3 years will give you 2.19 lakh rupees. If the acquisition and the QRSAM order fully materializes, then at 45% CAGR over the next 3 years, your 1 lakh rupees will cross 3 lakh rupees. The 5-year compounding story is already proven. 1 lakh rupees became 19.45 lakh rupees. The next 3 years will depend on execution of Premier Explosives integration and conversion of the QRSAM, IPREC and MIGM pipeline into confirmed revenue. Should you invest in SIP or lump sum? The smart choice will be a staggered lump sum with a small initial position right now, patience for the acquisition and dilution to digest like 2 to 3 quarters, then reassess with actual integration results. This is a high quality business going through a major transformation. Stock 18 of 30. Stock 19 drops tomorrow. Follow Backbone India for more.